Hello fat stringers and low end lovers. Just a pre-warning that this video is not of the better quality videos that I've done because it's quite quick in the editing, and that's predominantly because my editing software is still completely trashed and it's just being an absolute pain at the moment. So yeah, excuse the lesson. I hope you still get something educational out of it, and I still hope you enjoy it. Anyway, on to the lesson, guys. And today we're going to do the Adventures of Rain Dance Maggie by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Oh, good song, really cool bass line to play, really funky. Well, it's kind of funky, I guess. It's funky, not funk. And it's good for beginners, and it's just an all-round very good bass line. So let's get on with it, shall we? First thing we're going to do with our ring finger on our fretting hand is we're going to come to the 7th fret on the A string, this string right here, and we're going to hit that. We're going to hit it 3 times. So we go 1, 2. Okay, listen to the song for the timing and you'll understand how the next notes go. So we then go to the 5th fret on the D string and we hit it twice, but quite quickly. So we have, okay, we're going to do that with our index finger, yeah? So we have, so this 7th fret here on the A strings, dun, dun, and then it goes down to there. Okay, then we're going to come back to the 7th fret on the A string with our ring finger. So we have, then we're going to come down to the 5th fret on the A string. We have come down to the 4th fret on the A string, and we have, this is all with our index finger, and then we come down to the 3rd fret on the A string. Okay, and we're going to hit that 3 times, I believe. So slow, let's go real slow. Yeah, that 3rd fret is the same as the 7th fret in the timing. Dun, 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 dun. So you hit it, bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Listen to the song instead; it'll make sense. Yes. Okay. So we've come to the 3rd fret and we've hit that 3 times, haven't we, with our index finger on the A string? Okay. Then we're going to come to the 5th fret on the A string with our ring finger. We're going to hit it twice quickly, like this, but we're going to hit it with our ring finger on the A string. So we have. Yeah? Okay, and then we're going to come back down to the 3rd fret on the A string. Okay, so we have, then we're going to come back to the 5th fret on the A string with our ring finger. Okay, and then we're going to come to the 6th fret on the A string with our ring finger. Okay, that's a run up. So we have, all together, real slow is, and we come back to the 7th fret on the A string again. Okay, and obviously this is the verse, and that's the first part of the verse, and this is the second part of the verse. So we've come back to our 7th fret on the A string, yeah? Again, we're going to hit it 3 times. Yeah? And again, we're going to come down to the 5th fret on the D string, and we're going to hit it twice. And again, we're going to come back to the 7th fret on the A string, and we're going to hit it once, like we did before, yeah? Like we did dun, dun, yeah? But this time we're going to come down to the 5th fret on the A string. Okay, and then straight after we're going to come to the 5th fret on the D string. I like to bar both together, so we have, yeah? Does that make sense? You can play the note individually, but I just put a bar over it because it just seems a little bit easier to me. Yeah, just like that. Okay, and then we come back down to the 3rd fret again. And we hit it 3 times again. And again we come to the 5th fret and we hit it twice with our ring finger. But this time we then go back to the 3rd fret on the A string, and then we go to the 2nd fret on the A string, and then we hit an open A string. Yeah? So that part altogether is, yeah? Make sense? Got some quick little bits in there. Okay, and that brings us to our chorus. This is how I'm personally hearing it. It might not be 100% right, but it sounds okay to me thus far. So what we're going to do then is with our index finger, we're going to come to the 10th fret on the A string, and we're going to hit it twice. We're going to have like a root octave thing going on here. Then come to the 12th fret on the G string with your ring finger right there. Hit it once. Okay, and then come back to the 10th fret on the A string and hit it twice with your index finger. So we have. Okay, and then come back to the 12th fret on the G string and hit it once. Okay, and then come back to the 10th fret on the A string, hit that once again. Then you come back to the 12th fret on the G string and hit that once again. So we have altogether that part slow is. And again, slowly. Okay, and fast. Okay, and that's probably the speed of it. Okay, good. And then we're going to come to the 7th fret on the A string. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, index finger right there. Ring finger, come down to the 9th fret on the G string. Okay, exactly the same thing. So we have. Then we're going to come back to the 10th fret, and then we're going to do that one again, and then we're going to come back down and we're going to do the 7th fret one again. So you have 4 parts there repeating themselves. So we start on, the 10th fret on the A string, 7th, 10, 7th. Does that make sense? Okay, then we're going to come to the 8th fret on the E string with our index finger, and we're going to come to the 10th fret on the D string with our ring finger. We're going to do exactly the same thing again. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. But anyway, you get what I mean. It's exactly the same as that one repeated again. Then we're going to come to the 7th fret of our index finger, and our ring finger is going to lay down on the 9th fret on a D string. Exactly the same thing again. Then we're going to come down to the 5th fret on the E string with our index finger, and we're going to play the 7th fret on the D string with our ring finger, and exactly the same thing again. Yeah, there might be some sort of feel there, but just to simplify this version for you guys. And then after that, we play the 5th fret on the A string 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then back into it again. So that whole part is. There isn't a run up there. Sounds good though, sounds good to me. And that is pretty much it, and it just repeats itself over and over. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, and in the guitar solo you play the verse, okay? It's quite a quick one, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. It's quite a fun song to play, and I shall see you in the next video. Ta-ra!